Welcome to Lyceum. Characteristics of life growth and adaptation. Growth is one of the fundamental characteristics of life. It refers to an organism's increase in size, mass, or complexity over time. Here are some important aspects and characteristics of growth. 1. Cellular proliferation. Growth involves the multiplication and division of cells. Cells undergo a process called mitosis, where one cell divides into two identical daughter cells. 2. Increase in size and mass. Growth results in an overall increase in the size and mass of an organism. As cells divide and multiply, they accumulate and contribute to the growth of tissues, organs, and the entire organism. 3. Differentiation and specialization. During growth, cells become specialized and differentiate into specific types to perform specific functions. This process, known as cellular differentiation, allows for the development of various tissues and organs in multicellular organisms. 4. Development and maturation. Development refers to the overall process of changes and transformations that occur from the early stages of life to adulthood. It involves physical growth and the acquisition of new skills and behavior. 5. Regulation and control. Growth is regulated and controlled by various internal and external factors. Hormones, genetic factors, nutrition, and environmental cues play important roles in regulating the rate and pattern of growth. 6. Repair and regeneration. Growth also includes the ability of organisms to repair and regenerate damaged or lost tissues. When injuries occur, organisms have mechanisms in place to repair the damaged tissues, such as wound healing processes. Adaptation refers to the ability of living organisms to adjust to their environment in order to enhance their survival and reproductive success. Here are some important aspects and characteristics of adaptation. Environmental interaction. Adaptation involves the interaction between organisms and their environment. Organisms perceive and respond to changes in their surroundings, such as temperature, availability of resources, predators, and competitors. Genetic basis. Adaptation is often based on genetic variation and inheritance. This genetic variation provides the raw material for adaptation, as individuals with beneficial traits have a higher chance of survival and passing on their genes to future generations. Natural selection. Natural selection is a key mechanism driving adaptation. It refers to the differential survival and reproduction of individuals based on their heritable traits. Functional and structural changes. Adaptation involves changes in an organism's functions and structures. These changes can be behavioral, physiological, or morphological. Behavioral adaptations include specific actions or strategies that organisms employ to increase their chances of survival, such as migration, hibernation, or the formation of social groups. Gradual process. Adaptation typically occurs over long periods of time through gradual modifications. Evolutionary context. Adaptations contribute to the overall fitness and success of a species, allowing it to persist and thrive in a particular environment. Coming up next, response to stimuli and reproduction. Thanks for watching.